Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Thursday warned Pakistan of any misadventure in the Sir Creek region of Gujarat. The stern warning comes after reports of the Pakistani military build-up near the tidal estuary. Rajnath Singh, who was in Bhuj to celebrate Vijay Dashami with soldiers, said any misadventure would result in a response so robust that it could change both history and geography. India has repeatedly attempted to resolve this issue through dialogue, but Pakistan's intentions are flawed and unclear. He said, referring to Sir Creek, and this is certainly bound to send shivers down Pakistan's spine. A 96-kilometer stretch of murky, uninhabited marshland between Gujarat and Sindh, Sir Creek has been a contentious issue between India and Pakistan for a long time and is claimed by both countries. Sir Creek lies just to the west of the Great Run of Kutch in India. It empties out into the Arabian Sea and has a strategic importance for control over oil and gas reserves, to the drawing of maritime boundaries and exclusive economic zones in the Arabian Sea. But Congress governments that have remained in power most part after independence never sincerely tried to resolve the dispute and protect Indian interests, as was the case of Article 370 in Kashmir. It was Prime Minister Modi-led BJP government. One remembers how on September 19, 1965, Balwant Rai Gopalji Mehta, then sitting Chief Minister of Gujarat, died when the chartered aircraft in which he was travelling along with his family members was shot down by a Pakistani fighter jet just above Sir Creek. Did the Congress government in power at that time try to respond to Pakistan effectively? The answer is no. The Congress did not even show the willpower to resolve the Sir Creek issue once and for all. It was only during BJP government at centre that on August 10, 1999, shortly after the culmination of the Kargil war, the Indian Air Force shot down a Pakistani naval reconnaissance plane, Breguet Atlantic, near Sir Creek as the Pakistani airplane violated India's airspace. Most of the time, Congress was busy in negotiations which never ended and ultimately even never went in India's favour. In a show of weakness, UPA government in the year 2011 invited a delegation of the Pakistan Navy for a dialogue on this vexed Sir Creek issue. But then, Congress was always found on the defensive, unlike today's India, which knows how to respond to such misadventures and give a befitting reply to Pakistan. Post-Operation Sindoor, even Pakistan has understood that India can attack at its will and at the place of its choice. And why not? Sir Creek is the Congress's unfinished agenda.